Hola! We are Mike and Yvonne, and in February 2017 we bought a bungalow between the two great amazing salt lakes in Torrevieja. In August 2020 we decided to start sharing our trips and exploits on our YouTube channel called Between the Lakes, showcasing the different areas we visit and what we get up to. We spend a lot of our time on our e-bikes, riding on the cycle tracks and quiet roads all around the Torrevieja area and beyond. We also have a drone which we fly safely and within the current rules and regulations of the UK, Spain and Europe to capture some amazing views. Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
We're going to do an introduction for our channel now.
Okay.
And it's so people can subscribe, so we get more subscribers.
Do you think they will though?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Right, it's for them people in there. You ready? And hola!
Hola!
And welcome to the channel. My name's Mike.
And I'm Yvonne.
And our channel Between the Lakes is all about being between the lakes.
In the Torretas region of Torrevieja.
If you like the Costa Blanca and would like to see more of it, consider subscribing to our channel and we will show you all the places we visit and what we get up to.